everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to read currency in Korean. So let's get started. Among the two number systems that we have in Korean, you're going to use Chinese number system in order to read currency. If you don't know what I'm talking about here, please click the suggested video link in the top above the screen and you can watch them when you get a chance. Here, I'm going to remind you how to read from number 1 to 9. Let's start with 1. Please repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How did you do? Now we're going to start reading from 10 to 100,000. Are you ready? 10, 100, 1000, 만, 10만. I don't know if you noticed, when I said 100,000 in Korean, I said 10만, which is the combination of 10 plus 10,000. So in English, anything above 1,000, you're gonna use 1,000 as the base number. But in Korean, anything above 10,000, which is 만, that's gonna be the base number. That's why we say 100,000 as 10만. So now that we studied the basic foundation how to read the numbers from 1 to 9 and digits from 10 to 100,000. Now let's go to the next page. I'm gonna show you a very interesting tip on how to read Korean currency. Number and digit. So when you read Korean currency, you're going to use the combination of number and digit. You may be probably wondering a lot of things by now. So I'm gonna show you quick examples. The first example, 25. So like I just mentioned, the rule here is number and digit. So first one is number, which is 2. What's the digit of number 2? It's 10. 2, 10, and 5. And the digit of the last number is just 1, so you don't need to say that. You can just say 5. So 2, 10, 5, and which becomes 25 in Korean. So 25. Next example is 160. So start with the first number, which is 1, and then the digit of number 1 is 100. And then next one is 6, and digit of 6 is 10. So you're gonna say 106, 10, which becomes to 160. In colloquial speech, we omit 1 as number. We only say digit after 1. So which becomes to 160. Now example 3. So it starts with 3. So 3 and then the digit of 3 is 1000. 4 and the digit of 4 is 100. And then 1, digit of 1 is 10. Same as the previous example, you're going to omit 1 as a number. So you're going to say 3410. Now this is the last example. Starts with 7. Digit of 7 becomes 10,000. And number 8, digit of 8 is 1000. And number 1, digit of 1 is 100. And another one, digit of 1 is 10. So this becomes 78,110. We are going to omit any 1 as a number, so this becomes 78,110. Here is the homework for you guys. I want you guys to figure out how to read this number as currency and comment down below to see if you can get it right. If you like this content today, please give thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you want to improve your Korean faster, I highly encourage you to comment down below with what you learned from this video today. I see you guys next time. Bye bye!